In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Canva design to Messenger with ease. If you've ever created a beautiful design on Canva and wanted to share it with your friends or colleagues via Messenger, then you're in the right place. Follow along and you'll be able to seamlessly send your creation straight to Messenger in no time. First, we need to make sure your design is ready. Open Canva and navigate to the design you want to share. If you're not yet logged into your Canva account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in your Canva dashboard, locate the design you want to share. Take a moment to review it and ensure everything looks exactly how you want it before sending it off. Now that your design is ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Share. Click on this and it will open a menu of options for sharing and downloading your masterpiece. First layer of the share menu, you might see several popular sharing options. If Messenger isn't immediately visible, don't worry. Click on See All, which will expand your options and showcase more platforms where you can share your design. With the expanded menu visible, scroll through the available platforms until you find Facebook Messenger. Canva often updates their platform, so if you don't see it right away, keep scrolling or use the search bar. When you spot Messenger, click on it. This will prepare Canva to send your design via Messenger. Finally, if you're doing this on your desktop, Canva will instruct you to complete the process using the Canva mobile app. Why? Because sharing directly through Messenger using the quick link is optimized for mobile, ensuring a seamless experience. You'll notice a QR code displayed on your screen. Open the Canva app on your mobile device if you've already installed it. If not, it's available on both Android and iOS, so make sure you have it ready. Using your mobile device, scan the QR code. Once scanned, follow the prompts to finalize sending your design through the Messenger app. This method ensures your design maintains its quality and is perfectly formatted for viewing on Messenger. And there you have it, with friends, family, colleagues, or anyone who would appreciate your work directly through Messenger. Keep designing and sharing. Until next time, happy creating.